this video, you can learn how to schedule new posts on Facebook page. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. So let's get started with the process. First, we need to head to the Facebook Creator Studio page. Next, we need to click Create Post button from the drop-down option. And again, we need to select the page in which we want to add a new post. Next, we can type text content and select photo option and upload photo here from our computer. Or we can add multimedia post here. We can also add URL of our site or other social media like YouTube here. And finally, we can click this Share Now button and post the content to Facebook page right away. Or we can schedule the post to a future date and time. Or we can backdate the post to a day in the past. Or we can save a draft and post it whenever we want. Here we can schedule the content for a future date. And done. We can find the posts scheduled under Content Library. Here it is. This video post will get posted on the scheduled date. And done with this video process. Please like, comment and share my video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you find the video helpful. Thank you.